the song of the strong wind, and we came together to work and sing, because our world is a special place, and we have to protect this beautiful space. With hard work and determination, this will be our best creation, and we will fix this situation. When you give a helping hand and work together as a team, there's nothing that you can't achieve. When you give a helping hand and work together as a team, there's nothing that you can't achieve. No matter how hard it may seem, believe in yourself and follow your dreams. And if you keep trying and never give up, you will get it sooner than you think. Step by step with